I can't lie, we gotta pull over. Yeah, we gotta pull over still. Oh my god, you ran out! Yo! Oh my god!
Then we shall just have to figure out what we can do with 42 feet.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Live from the NHR and Levine Accident Attorney Studios.
Shit.
Call 1-800-747.
Huh?
January. This is Manuel Oliver in a video made to launch.
Oh my god.
You motherfucker. You got the fucking wheel, yeah, Junior? Fucking asshole.
What does the wheel have to do with the brake?
Fucking shit!
Calm down, Mom. Calm down.
For fucking listening to you.
Why did you turn? Why did you turn?
I didn't turn.
Yeah. And I asked him if he needed to access a little bit, but it's fine.
Not cutting the broadcast was not a hole in the script, because if we did that, then we would have made a murderer out of them.
Stay in a flux.
And also thinks the casinos knew what she was doing better than she did, but they sat back and watched it happen.
So
that's definitely illegal. That is definitely illegal. That is definitely illegal. Holy shit. Holy shit. Did I just catch that? Oh my god.
Hit his Twitter. That's his Twitter there.
So he still got
bad advice.
Not which video drop, what a minute.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
For this, the question, however, remains: to what extent is this going to have an impact on Russia? To what extent is this going to change?
Messed up the car.
Please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey man, just stay down. Just
Yeah,
stay down.
lay down, lay down.
Hey, just lay down. Yeah. Lay down, brother. Come on.
Take this helmet off of me.
Hold on. I got you. Yeah, keep it this way.
Are you okay?
Lay down, man.
Yeah. I'm fine.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, sir? I'm Sebastian, Sarasota Police Department. You're on audio and video recording. The reason for the stop: you were observed going 57 and a 40, and you were on your phone texting while you were doing that. That was at Euclid and Fruitville.
You don't need to point at the officer.
I'm not pointing at you. I'm pointing in the direction where it was.
I just called the chief, that's it.
Go right ahead, sir. Can I see your license? Right? Yes, sir, I do. Can I see your license, registration, insurance, please?
You can do this?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry? I still have a job to do, sir.
Yeah, for me. What's your name?
Officer Veskin, it's going to be on the citation. Can I see your insurance, registration, and your license, please? Sir, can I have your paperwork, please? 7 years, sir. Can I see your registration, please? You're not going to give me your registration, sir.
You arrest me?
I'm asking you if you're going to produce me with your registration. You don't have it on you?
Look, go call the chief. Tell him how rude you just been to me. Play with this video.
Okay.
Then you call Marlon Brown. Then you call the mayor.
Okay.
They're not okay, though. Tell me what to do.
Okay, sir. Are you refusing to produce your registration? I'm asking you if you have your registration.
You're making career decisions.
Okay,
Why are
sir.
you doing this?
Sir, because you were speeding and you were texting.
Says who? Call the supervisor. I just spoke to your boss.
Okay.
That's not okay.
You want your paperwork?
Is it your Russian immigrant status that makes you talk to people like this?
10-4, 10-6.
Call the supervisor.
14 dispatch, can you have my supervisor respond, please?
Yeah. And then we'll see who goes.
Okay. You don't want your paperwork?
6142, can you be 51 Fruitville Street? You don't have a warrant.
Sir, you're going to be issued a citation.
Anything you have to say. I'll wait for the supervisor.
You can wait for the supervisor, but I'm going to go through what I need to go through.
No, I'm not interested.
Alright, you are going to be issued a citation.
There's the registration.
Well, you've been already issued a citation for that.
For what?
For failure to produce your registration.
Right.
Alright. Sir,
You look
you're gonna
Right
be issued a
here.
citation 57 and a 40 for speeding. The fine is
right here.
$256. Information in the back.
It's
You're
right
gonna
here.
have an option to
It's on
plead
your
guilty,
camera.
an option to plead not guilty, and an option to take a safe driver's course. If you qualify for the course, it will reduce your fine, and it will reduce your points. If you decide to go ahead and do that, just make sure you do it prior to submission of payment.
Do you know what he said about you? You want to hear what he said about you?
He could say all he wants about me. I got a job to do, sir.
You know what he said about
Okay.
you?
If you
He said
fail
he's
to
had you
complete,
before like this.
okay,
And he's going to have you again.
and that's fine,
It's not fine. Why do you keep saying it's fine?
sir.
I'm a law-abiding citizen, and you're being bloody rude to me.
If you decide to go ahead and do the course, just make sure you do it prior to submission of payment, as they do
You think you're winning?
require a certificate of completion.